I was walking in the park and I saw a little duck. The little fucker quacked at me and so I kicked him in the fuck. I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you in the fuck. I saw a little hen and he gave a little cluck. I knew exactly what he meant and so I kicked him in the fuck. I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you in the fuck. Like Dr. Dolittle, I understand what the animals say. They tell me that they hate me each and every single day. To other people, it just sounds like a harmless quack, or moo, or bleat. But I know that they're threatening to kill me in my sleep. I saw a little pig, and he looked a little mucky. The porky bastard oinked at me, and so I kicked him in the fucky. I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna kick you in the fuck.
And so, the moral of the story is, if you're mean to animals, a horse will kick you so hard in the fuck that you'll turn completely inside out. So don't do it, even if you do think we're going to kill you in your sleep.
I've got an iPhone, it's got an app on it, makes me happy. Happy that I've got it, I like it even more than a unicorn. It can even play this lovely song. An iPhone, it plays a song of me, song makes me happy, fills me right up with glee. I get an urge to shout at the folks I see. Oh God, I'm so happy, oh my God! iPhone. I love this song now, I play it all the time, I don't want to sleep, I'm really fine, some people say I'm completely lost my mind, but God, oh God, I love this song!
Get stuck in, Paul.
Man like fire, man, one power. Since time began.